Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. Now, sure, the price pulled back here a little bit, but even where it closed relative to where it was yesterday, still a good solid move, which does lead into the question, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. So this single level, let me get that one out of there. This level to keep an eye on is down here at 2 cents. Why is 2 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, a bounce that has true strength behind it, is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 2 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. Movement upwards as time goes by. So just picture things as stair steps, and you want to see progress, and I just happen to be defining quote-unquote progress as staying up above 2 cents. What about levels of resistance? Not the original, but really the only level I'm going to focus on, I'll explain that in a second, is just going to be right up here at 0.0235. Going back through the history of the chart, you can see, knocked it down a couple of times today, knocked it down there, and then a few more times in the past. And I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance because, in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is building higher stair steps and going through some healthy consolidations. And again, I'm defining healthy consolidation as staying up above 2 cents. So no doubt about it. Nice day today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this move or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.